to add echo effect on your sound or audio in CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnath, and in this video I'll guide you on how you can add echo effect using CapCut. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can open up CapCut once you have installed it and head into the editing option, right? So I'll agree everything here and I'll skip this. Tap on new project there, and then you can add in the video that you'd like to add echo effect on. So I'll just add this video particularly here. Now once you're on this page, what you can do is you can tap on the video, right? And then now you want to extract the audio. So you can see once you swipe to the right at the bottom of your screen, you'll find extract audio option. You can tap on extract audio and the audio will be extracted here. Now tap on the audio and then you can see audio effects option right there. You want to tap on it, and now from here on the audio effects page you can find in the echo effect. So it'll take some time to load up. Make sure that your internet connection is stable. So as you can see here, echo effect is here, but it's paid. However, if you scroll down further below, you should be able to find the free version of echo. But this is how you can easily add echo effect on CapCut. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.